How to manage item hierarchy for Jira. Item hierarchy is a centralized configuration to define levels of your work items in your organization. The structure is flexible and scalable. You may create more than one hierarchy. Go to Item Hierarchy under Settings. Click on the Create. Type the name of the hierarchy, for example, 4-level Jira items. Select one of the ALM accounts that connect to Jira. Create levels that you need. In this case, we are going to create a hierarchy for 4 levels. Let's call the top level as Themes. We need to map the item type from Jira to this level. The item type in Jira is Portfolio Epic in this example. Type the issue type name and select it. Select the link type between Portfolio Epic and the next level item. It's important to verify this linking by looking at your Jira. In this case, it's is implemented by. It could be parent or any other link type. Now for the second level, type the initiatives. Select the corresponding link type. Third level is for features, and we will use Jira Epics as issue type here. For Jira Epics, the link type connecting to next level stories is Epic Link. Lowest level is for user story, and we can do a multi-select to include other item types, for example, bugs. For lowest level, leave the link type unselected. At any level, you can do a multi-select. Click on the Save, and your hierarchy will be saved. This hierarchy will be used while creating a new collection. Note, you need to be a super admin to create or manage hierarchies. For more information, check out the help.kendis.io.